Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn mean, median, and mode. Okay, so today we are going to start with exercise 3.2. So before starting this exercise, I just want to explain you some terms. Like there are certain terms like median and mode. These two terms are new for you because mean I have already covered in exercise 3.1, and mean is nothing but the average. Okay, and mean is nothing but the ratio of sum of observation divided by number of observations, right? Okay, so mean is generally used to calculate the central tendency, but it is not only but it is not only method for calculating central tendency. Apart from mean, we have two more methods for calculating central tendency. One is mode and other is median, but as per the requirement we use these terms in our question. Okay, so let's say mean is not the only measure of central tendency or the only form of representative value. Okay, for different requirements from a data, other measures of central tendencies are used. And what are these other tendencies are mode and median. Now the mode, what is mode? Mode is a set of observations in the observation that occurs most often. I mean the value which is repeating very frequently in the observation. Okay, I'll explain you with the help of an example. Then median. So you let's say you have a given data. First, you need to arrange that data in ascending and descending order. So in special case where mean and mode is not applicable in those situations, median is used to calculate the central tendency. Okay, it gives us the middle observation, or you can simply say that median gives us the middle observation. How? I'll explain you in the with the help of a example. Okay, so that's why I have taken first question of your exercise 3.2, and the question is the score in mathematics test out of 25 or 15 students is as follows. Okay, 19, 25, 23, 29, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12, and 20. So these are the scores in mathematics test out of 25, out of 25, and this is the data of 15 students. Okay, now first we need to calculate the mode and then we need to calculate the median. Okay, so you need to calculate the value of mode and median for this data, and then you need to tell that whether they are same or different. Okay, so first I'll explain you how to solve for mode. Okay, I'll take a different color for the same. So first I need to calculate mode. Okay, for mode I'll check the highest or the very often or an observation which is appearing very often. Okay, so out of these 15 observations, first I need to write these observations like this. See, here's 19, here's 25, 20. So 20 is here, 20 is here, 20 is here, and 20 is here. So out of these 15 observation, 20 is appearing 4 times in these observations. So this will be the mode of this observation. Okay, so what you will say? You will say that the given data, you will say given data, that is 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12, and 20. So here you can observe that 20 is appearing 4 times in these observations. So this one, 2, 3 and 4. So what you will say, that since 20 occurs 4 times, since 20 occurs 4 times, so the mode of these observation is equals to 20. So this is your answer. This is the first answer. Okay, so in this way you have calculated mode. So mode is nothing but the observation which is repeating frequently, or which is appearing frequently. Okay, so 20 is the observation which is which occurred here 4 times. So this is my mode. Now how to calculate median of this data? Okay, so I'll choose some different color for the median. So the next question is median. For median, first you need to arrange the data either in ascending or in descending order. Okay, so for median, I'll arrange this data in the ascending order. Okay, so the least value is 9, so the least value is 5. Okay, so the least value is 5, then 9, then 10, then 12, then 15, then 16, then 19, then 20. I'll write 24 times. Okay, and 20, then 23, then 24, then 25. Okay, now count how many observations are these. 15. These are total 15 observations. Okay, so if you have a number of observation, odd number of observations. Okay, so number of observations, so number of observations, so the number of observations is equals to 15, and 15 is an odd number. So how to calculate the middle observation? Okay, so how to calculate the middle observation? For that, what you will do, you will do 15 plus 1 divided by 2. So this will give you middle observation. This is for middle observation. This is for middle observation. So middle observation will be equals to 15 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 16 divided by 2. That is the 8th observation. Okay, now see, 8th observation will be, I'll choose some different color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is the 8th observation. Okay, so before this 20 you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And after this 20, so before this 20 you have 7 observation, and before this 20 you have 7 observations. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this way you have calculated the middle observation. Okay, is this understood by you? So in this case the median will be, middle observation is 8th, and the value on the 8th position is, so you will write median of these observation is equals to 20. So here you can observe that mode is also equals to 20 and median is also equals to 20. So you can say yes, mode and median are same. Okay, but they will not remain same always. Okay, so in this case mode and median both are same, but they are not always same. Okay, but they are not always same, they may be different. Okay, Please note it down fast. I hope this question is understood by you. How to calculate mode? So mode is nothing but but an observation which is appearing frequently. Okay, or you can say an observation which is repeating more number of times, like 20. In this example, let's say 20. The observation 20 is repeating 4 times. Okay, so the mode of this data is 20. For median, you need to arrange the data in an ascending order or in descending order. So most preferable is ascending order. So I arrange this data in ascending order. Then I calculate the number of observations. So there are 15 number of observation. 15 is an odd number. So for getting the middle observation, what I did, I add 15. I what I did 15 plus 1 divided by 2. So this is 16 divided by 2, which is the eighth observation, and the eighth observation, the value in the eighth position is 20. So the median of this data is 20. So in this way you have calculated mode and median, and as a conclusion you said yes, mode and median are same in this question. Okay beta, note it down first, then I'll explain you next question. Okay. Okay students, now the next question is question number second of your exercise 3.2, and the question says is the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. Okay, so this is the data given in the question: 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10 and 15. Okay, so these are the runs scored by the players. Okay, 11 players. So you need to calculate mean, median and mode of this data, and then you need to analyze all these three values whether they are same or different. Okay, now first I'll explain you how to calculate mean. Okay, I'll take some different color. So first I'll calculate mean. Okay, so mean of this data is calculated by adding all these observations. So mean is sum of observation divided by number of observations. Okay, and the number of observations are 11. Okay, so 100 plus 80 plus 10 plus 15 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15. Okay beta, now divided by number of observations. Okay, divided by number of observation, and the number of observations are 11. Okay, now when you add all these things, all these observations, when you add all these observation, the value that you will get is equals to 429 divided by 11, which is equals to, say, 11 threes are 33 and 11 nines are 99. So the mean of this observation is equals to 39. Okay, I hope you people are understood what I'm saying. So mean is nothing but the sum of observation divided by the number of observation. Here 11 is the number of observation. Here this is the number of observation. Number of observation, and these are the sum of observation. Okay, now the next thing which we need to calculate is mode. So for mode, again we need to check which value is repeating frequently. Okay, now I'm writing these values again. Now analyze the data. Now for mode, okay, now next thing I'm going to calculate is mode. Now for mode, check which value is repeating more frequently. So 15, 15 and 15. So 15 is appearing 3 times in the observation. So I'm so sorry. So I can say that the mode of this observation is 15. So what I'll write here, so you will say 15 is the mode of this observation. You can simply write Here 15 occurs. Here 15 occurs 3 times. So you can say mode of these observation is equals to 15. So this is your answer. Okay, so here in this question you need to calculate three values. First you need to calculate mean, that is equals to 39. Then you need to calculate mode, which is equals to 15, and then last you need to calculate the median. And I have already told you for median you need to arrange the data either in ascending or in descending order. So please note it down fast these things, then I'll explain you how to calculate the median. Okay, note it down fast. Again I am taking the values. Okay, now for calculating median. Okay, now I'm going to calculate median here. For median, first I'm arranging the data in ascending order. Okay, so the least value is 6, then 8, then 10. 10 is appearing 2 times. Okay, so 10, then 15 is appearing 3 times, then 50, then 80, then 100, and then 120. Okay, now you have total 11 observation and 11 is an odd number. Okay, so what you will write, number of observations. Okay, number of observations, number of observations is equals to 11, which is an odd number. So how to get the middle observation? So if you have odd number of observation, then for the formula for getting middle observation is, so middle observation is equals to, middle observation is equals to, or okay, I'll take some different color. So middle observation is equals to 11 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equals to 12 divided by 2. So 2 6 are 12, that is the sixth term. Okay, so now this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So this is the middle observation. So this is the middle observation. Before this middle observation I have 5 terms, and after this I have 5 terms, right? So 15 is the middle observation. Now the median of this observation is equals to 15. Okay, so you can say that median of this observation, of this observation is equals to 15. Now you can check all these three values, I mean mean, median, and mode. So mean is equals to 39. Okay, I'll write it here. So the value of mean, mode, and median. So the value of mean is 39, mode is 15, and median is also 15. Okay, so you can say no, they are not same. So the answer is no, they are not same. Okay, so this is your answer. I hope these questions are understood by you. If not, you people are free to ask me in the Zoom session. But students, I just request you, please watch those videos that we have uploaded on Ursel. Please submit your work on time and do attend your Zoom session so that you people can ask your doubts, your queries. Okay. So, okay, students, this is all for the day. Uh, Third, fourth, and fifth question is for your homework. If you people find any difficulty while solving these questions, so you people are free to ask me in the Zoom session. But before that, please try these questions. Okay. Okay, students. Then thank you.